keer. Wala na, nag-melt na yung bakod ni Kuya Zed. It's melting.
Denk je dat iemand dit omver kan duwen?
Nee, dat hoeft niet te duwen, lieverd. Dat gaat ook zelf weg. Let's go.
Ja, maar
Hey.
toen ik met Win speelde, zaten er een stelle meisjes.
Kijk, ze hebben de iglo daar. Kijk.
Oh ja. Weet je?
Iglo. Let's go.
Ik en Finn gingen naar buiten toe.
Hmm.
Ik ben bij mijn film.
Lininis na nila yung daan, oh. Ayan yung naglinis ng daan. Sneeuwschuiver, toch?
Ja.
Hey. Uh-oh. Hey. Hanggang si mama. Hi, it's me, Zion. Hi, it's me. Look. Clap this in your hand, just fly, fly, fly. Of the birds of furniture, alibi. Clap this in your hand, just clap na. Clap this in your hand, just fly, fly, fly. Of the birds of furniture, alibi. Yay! Yay! Whoop! Out. You call Dada. 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 Mama. Can you say mama? Eh. Nahiya ka ulit. Mama. Say mama. Mama. Say mama. Can you say mama's name? Can you say Dada. Can you say Dada's name? Bye bye. Yeah. Hello. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hello. What is that? Oh yeah, you're here. Come, I will help you. Here. Yeah. Boo. Boo. Tumutubo na yung tit, yung ano niya. Yung tit niya. Can I see your teeth? Dada yun. What's that? What's this? Saya. What's that? What's this? Tasso? Basic. Twinkle. Hi. It's for Ate. You want also? Wait, Mama take for you. This one for you. Yeah. Keep Dading. Yay.
The button.
That's the button, yeah. Music. You go to the music.
Piano. Photo bed. Knocking.
Ang galing ni Sayo na.
Photo bed.
May piano to, ate. Agaw naman yung isa. Here, sayang. Here. Ang saya. Are you a monster? Oh, nee. Oh, nee. Oh, it's Saya. It's not a monster. Oh, nee. It's Saya. Oh, nee. Ah, it's Saya. Let's go na. Put your jacket on. So, ayan, nag-start na mag-melt ang ice, ang snow. So, isasama ko na yung mga bata. Magbabike na ako. Carry bells na yan. Yeah, we're gonna pick up si Kuya na. Ayun si Zayats. Are you ready, love?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is that Mama's shoes? No. This is Mama's shoes?
Let's go.
No yet. Nay. Not this one. I'm going to wear shoes. Not sleeper. That is Nita Cup. This is for Papa.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. We play it later, yeah? When we pick up si Kuya. Is it done? Here we go! Ang bigat pedalin, nadudulas pa nga. Dito okay na. Nakakahingal kasi may part na nagyayelo pa din yung daan sa may mga eskinita. Pero dito sa may main road, may saboy na ng asen, tsaka may nagpala-pala na ng ice. Ayan, okay na yung daan dito. Pero dun lang sa may mga eskinita pa. Hirap. Mabigat. Kailangan kong itulak. Kaya hingal ang nanay nyo. Oh my God. Struggle is real. Parang hindi na ako natutuwa. Hindi na ako natutuwa sa pa-snow na to. Yeah!
Papa, get mama.
Kuya is playing with somebody. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. See you later, Saya. Yan, nasa bahay na kami. Ang Zaya, busy na. Busy na siya. Naipasok ko na si Zion, tulog siya. So, si Zion muna ang asikasuhin ko. Oh. You wanna build a snowman, love? Should we build a snowman? Huh? We're gonna roll it. So far. Come here, look.
What?
Wow, Kaya, look. It's working. Come here. Show to Mama what you got. Yay! What do you want?
Oh no, Mom, but there's a carrot.
A carrot? We don't have a carrot.
But that's small.
Huh?
I'm happy.
It's cute? Yeah. So we put a happy. Happy. 1, 2, 3, Cheese!
Oh.
Huh? Wow! You did it, Saya! He's holding this cup. You play with him. Aming on. Ay, naku. Ang Zaya. Happy mag-play ng snow. Ba't ka nagdidilig, anak? You have water? Where's your water? Go get water. Yung kanilang buhangin, nagyelo na. Oh, buhangin yan sa baba. Very good, love. You're doing great. Yay! Bigay niya ulit kay Olaf yung Yes, you did it.
Mommy,
Yeah.
help me.
Help? You put it to the hole like that. Yeah. Didiligan na naman yan. Oh no! The arm! Put it back. Zion still sleeping. Nilamig din ng Inday. Nagpalagay din siya ng ng gloves. Kanina ayaw niya. Yeah? What is it? Oh. Wow. It's beautiful. You happy, Saya?
No.
Yeah? Because you're playing water? Ah. The ice fall down. Put it back? Pinapalitan niya yung ilong. Help? Okay. Ang ilong. Pinalitan ni Saya. Nakita niya doon. A ball! Yay! Beep! Kick! 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 Yay! Oh! Thank you! Ah! To you! Okay, 1, 2. I'm gonna kick it. 2, 3. Whee! Yay! Tatawag ng mga bata. Zion, it's so fair, ah? Zion sleeping. Hi, JD! Big sister ni Saya. Yay! Ba't pa, Sauda? Hey! Kaya JD Treka. Yeah. I'm gonna help you. Ready? Yeah. Whee! Yay! Whee! We're doing Yuli. What is that, Saya? It's a big ice ball. Snowball. Waar? Wow, Zaya! Heb je wel ijskasteel gebouwd?
Ja, samen met mij.
Zo leuk. Zo. Look guys, yung snowball ni Seth ginawa namin Olaf. Dalawa. Yay! Coffee break sila. Saya po. Nang babato din si Saya eh. Ayan guys, pumasok na kami. Nagutom na ang Zaya. O, ayun, gising na din ang Sayon. Sakto pagpasok namin, nagising na siya. So, ayan. I-end ko na ang aming full video today. Pasensya na, lagi snow ang aming content. So, sinusulit lang po talaga namin. So, don't forget to like and
Wow!
yay! See you to our next vlog. Bye! Bye, Sayon! Bye-bye! Bagong gising ang gwapo. Yeah.